Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. Before I start, I have to admit, I usually try to avoid using a script whenever I address an audience, but this is a different one. It can get emotional, so I have my backup. Thank you for joining us today. Today is special not just because it marks the momentous occasion of completing 24 years of ExcelSoft and the coming together of the One Excel family, but also because we are celebrating the exemplary life of my dear grandfather and chairman, Professor M.H. Dhananjaya. I'll take a few minutes of your time today to share my gratitude for having him in my life for a brief period of 10 years, but those 10 years that I immensely enjoyed and I was blessed to spend with him. I also want to take this opportunity to touch upon the journey that we have all embarked on together as One Excel, emphasizing how important every one of us in this room today is in shaping the fantastic future that lies ahead of us. The One Excel group is a realization of Professor MHD and Mr. Sudhanwa's vision and mission to redefine the way people learn. From a small team of a handful people in a single hall workspace to what it is today is a phenomenal story. Now, many of us here in the room have lived it. Some of us have only heard about it. The passion for serving society also gave us Excel Public School, Queen's School of Design, Enhanced and Excel Empathy Foundation to make us a family that we are today, the One Excel family. Many of you have grown with us since the early days, and your commitment and hard work have been instrumental in our success. Tonight, we honor and celebrate you, the employees of ExcelSoft. In this entire journey, Professor MHD's values and vision have been foundational. I have had the distinct pleasure of interacting with him very closely, professionally as well as personally. I want to highlight three core values that he cared and embodied very deeply and has made a very significant difference and impact on me personally. Firstly, his forethought, right? His ability to think beyond today, envisioning the future decades from the present, was unparalleled. The numerous modern institutions he built that stand extremely relevant even today are a testament to this virtue. The next one is selfless hard work. He gave 100% to whatever task he took, with discipline and determination. His commitment to people and society remained unwavering till the very last day, and I personally experienced it. But the most important value of all, and that I believe is not easily imbibed by most of us, is empathy. His ability to stand in another person's shoes and provide unbiased guidance to people around him made a profound impact on everybody who had the privilege to know him. His legacy of compassion and understanding continues to inspire us, reminding us that true leadership is grounded in the care and respect we show for one another. Again, these are values that I admire and I continue to strive and inculcate in my own life. I'm also grateful to him for inspiring my entrepreneurial journey. This is a little personal. He encouraged me to relocate to Mysore to pursue entrepreneurship, which at that time I have to admit was a daunting and uncertain path for him. At the age of 80, he would spend hours and hours with me, guiding me and giving me the confidence to succeed even during the toughest of times. We started Enhanced, now at an incubator that he founded decades ago, another instance of his forethought. And today a team of 40 people and a successful product are a living proof of his vision and support. Every single day, I wish I could get back to him just for a couple of minutes, just to say how much I miss him, how much I admire him, and how thankful and proud I am for having him in my life. As a tribute to Professor MHD's optimism about the future, I want to take a minute to touch upon the incredible future that lies ahead of all of us. Our vision remains clear: to continue pushing the boundaries of innovation, to uphold the highest standards of excellence set by him and the management of ExcelSoft, to give back to the society. Professor MHD strongly believed in stewardship of leaders. He taught us that true leaders are not just owners or managers or directors, but stewards of their teams, of their missions, of the legacy led by the, left by the predecessors. And every one of us here, the experienced and the young, are the future of the company. Together with the wisdom of our seasoned colleagues and the innovative spirit and enthusiasm of our younger team members, I am confident that we will continue to reach newer heights. I take comfort in knowing that Professor MHD's spirit, values, and vision live on in the institutions he built and the wonderful people of the Excel family, the One Excel family. His legacy is not just in the buildings or achievements, but in the lives he has touched and the values he has instilled in us. So let us celebrate our achievements and look forward to a future filled with promise and potential. Thank you, one and all.